Sweeten your dishes with natural fruit sugar substitutes. Here are some natural fruits that can replace sugar in your dishes. Using these fruits not only adds sweetness, but also adds nutrients and flavor. First up, we have bananas. Ripe mashed bananas are fantastic for sweetening baked goods like muffins, pancakes, and bread. They add a natural sweetness and moisture that's just perfect. Next, we have dates. These little gems are packed with sweetness and have a rich, caramel-like flavor. You can puree and use them as a natural sweetener in desserts, energy bars, and smoothies. Now, let's talk about apples. Whether you use applesauce or grated apples, they're great for sweetening recipes like cakes, muffins, and oatmeal cookies. Plus, they add a lovely fruity aroma. Berries, fresh or frozen. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with sweetness and antioxidants. You can mash or puree them to sweeten yogurt, oatmeal, and desserts. Pineapple, crushed pineapple, or pineapple juice adds a tropical sweetness to dishes like stir-fries, marinades, and sauces. It's a delicious way to balance flavors. Mangoes. Puree mangoes and use in smoothies, sauces, and desserts to add a delightful tropical sweetness. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Peaches. Fresh or crushed. They're fantastic for sweetening dishes like yogurt, oatmeal, and desserts like cobblers and crisps. They bring in that juicy sweetness we all love. Apricots. Puree apricots and use in baking and dessert recipes as a natural sweetener. They add a lovely fruity flavor and a hint of tartness. Kiwi. Puree kiwi and use as a natural sweetener in various recipes, including fruit salads, smoothies, and frozen treats. Kiwi adds a unique tangy sweetness and vibrant green color to your dishes. Pears. Puree or grate pears and sweeten recipes like muffins, cakes, and oatmeal. Pears offer a delicate sweetness and a hint of floral flavor. And rounding off our list, let's include cherries. Use fresh or puree cherries to sweeten desserts, sauces, and smoothies. To add a delightful fruity flavor and a splash of vibrant color. These natural fruits are not only delicious, but healthier alternatives to refined sugar. Experiment with them in your recipes and enjoy the natural sweetness they bring. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching.